We are at Railroad Park Resort in Dunsmuir, California, and this is their second speeder. It's really cool. Maybe I'm going to try to find myself a speeder. This one is also water cooled. The other one was as well, but this has a large jacket on it. I'm not sure, and I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of more of a tractor guy, but I'd call that possibly a PTO in the front. Maybe they can hook up something to it. But it's a Fairmont. It's got a lot of spider action going on, so I'm not going to get too crazy about it. I mean, we have black widows where we live, and they got black widows here, and I don't want to deal with black widows. Let's see. Here's the plate. Not really much of anything there, information-wise. No website. That is the cotton belt. They call it a dual cupola. I think because there's benches on both sides, so it can be either direction. Unfortunately, ours kind of has these fogged up windows and these funny screens, so we can't really get a good view from it. There's a lot of bay windows out here. They're all pretty neat. You really got to go on their website to figure out what each one is, as far as like bedding arrangements and such. But here's the pool and hot tub. We haven't figured out quite what this car is. I think possibly during season, because it's by the pool, I think it's a bar, to tell you the truth. We have a nice little waterfall outside our window with some wild creatures hanging out by it. The coolest thing though is you see up above this caboose here, it's after sunset, but that's the Castle Crags State Park. It's really cool. Northern Pacific Railway. I always thought that was the yin and yang. There's a river right here that runs by. It's kind of cool. We ran into a couple that were actually fishing in it. They got bites, but nothing else. You can see the shadows on the mountains that are growing. But I'll do more video of some of those cars down that way. That is just really beautiful up there. I don't know. That just appears to be the bottom of maybe a passenger car. Let's get a shot this way. It's absolutely beautiful here. Nice weather. Cool in the mornings, cool in the evenings. Fairly hot in the day, and it's late August.